guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this reflection video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video as an example, and I'm actually just going to make this smaller maybe. I'm not sure, maybe I'm just going to leave it like that. Copy and paste that and put it on top like so, and you are going to rotate it. So do that. Where is it? Okay, rotate it minus 180 degrees and put it like this. Go to mask and go to split, and you are going to split the video in like half like so, and feather it out like so. It is better if the video doesn't really clash with each other, like the part is smaller. You can just drag it downwards like so and upwards like this, but oops, like this, but it is completely up to you. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. I need to mirror it. There you go. So select the second one and make sure you press mirror. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!